Most countries put dead presidents and old generals on their money. Chile decided to put penguins, volcanoes, and literary geniuses instead. When Chile redesigned its currency, they wanted every bill to tell the story of what actually makes their country special. Flip over a 2,000 peso note, and instead of a dusty monument, you get a family of Magellanic penguins chilling in a nature reserve. Pull out a 20,000 peso bill, and you're looking straight at flamingos standing in front of towering, active Andean volcanoes. And on the 5,000 peso note, you won't find a politician. You'll find Gabriela Mistral, the brilliant poet who became the first Latin American ever to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Chile turned its cash into a pocket-sized tour of its wild landscapes, rich wildlife, and cultural pride. So next time you hold a piece of money, ask yourself, does your wallet have penguins in it?